in all His glory and to reign with Him on high. I'll be so glad to see the others who have gone unto that land. But I long to see my Jesus, and by His side I'll stand without a father, without a mother. Gonna make this journey by myself. Sometimes so friendless, heartaches seem endless, sorrows I have known, but I know my Lord will call me to that mansion in the sky. I shall reign with Him forever in that sweet home by and by. So many times my heavy burden has borne me to my knees. But then I prayed, oh blessed Jesus, won't you help me if you please? Hasten to my rescue. I no longer have to cry. So I keep my Savior with me. The journey to the sky.